So I wanted to catch a quick video on this custom show truck before the weather hits. It's supposed to rain all this week, but just had this thing out for a quick run. This truck is actually very street drivable, of course not at this level, but they don't get much lower. This truck touches the ground. Some say lay frame. I'm not sure if the frame touches or the body touches first, but if you have a hard time putting much more than a piece of paper up under that truck, it is on the ground. We're not sure on the original builder, but this truck has had a very extensive build. As you can see, the floor of the bed has been raised with the tubs. They did a very clean job. We've yet to detail this truck, but tailgate still functions. All of the air pumps, air tank, extra batteries, all are tucked in underneath here. Again, pretty cool that the tailgate still functions. Custom offset wheel and tire. Wheels need a good polish. It's tucked in there pretty good. All of the pinstripe, which is hand painted, runs throughout the whole vehicle through the door jambs. This is like a candy burnt orange. Beautiful color when the sun hits it, like a copper. The interior cat skin seat covers have been done to match. All of the interior accessories have been color matched. There you go, as soon as you pump it up, it airs up. Several ride settings, or you can override control it yourself. This is actually how we just drove it, which it goes up quite a bit higher. So if you get to a speed bump or something like that, you can air it up even more, but that's a pretty good ride height setting. Under the hood, the engine accessories are all color matched. Brake calipers are color matched. We just had it in the shop, went over it, adjusted one bracket. Pretty cool stance on this truck. You know, all push button controls. See if I can drop it and catch a video too. Tap the control to whatever level you want it to get to. You can watch it raise up. Most of these trucks, the air systems are extremely temperamental. So you can hear this one leveling itself out. Pretty cool. But a great build. If you look at the fitment of the Cadillac Escalade front end, they Frenched that in really clean. Body lines are really good. You can pick on them a little bit if you want to be extremely critical, but to the naked eye or anybody at a show circuit, this truck absolutely takes the cake. Quick detail, this truck will be available. Check it out on the website. Lots of pictures, additional details about the truck. Estimated build cost for a truck like this, to buy the truck, build the truck, I mean, you're looking at well over $100,000. Probably in reality, to fast pace it and have your truck built within a year's time, you're probably looking at $150 for the suspension, all the body mods, tires, wheels, not to mention time to wait for everything to be ordered, and just the busyness of a shop these days. So this truck's a killer deal for somebody that wants to go to a show tomorrow. Got any questions, give us a call. Check the websites. Or interested in anything else? much got you under control. Tow trucks, diesels, haulers, SUVs, you name it. Thanks for watching.